Hello once again, welcome to another video. Here we are going to work out this integral, and this integral can be written. I'm going to separate this. An integral of this exponential of x dx minus an integral of this x to the e dx. Here, as you see, an integral of exponential of x stay as it is. It's e to the x, and we know the integral of x power n dx, this is 1 over n plus 1, so x to n plus 1 positive a constant. So this will be an integral of this here. E is a number, this is a number, and that's why this integral will be x to e plus 1 over e plus 1 plus a constant. This will make the given integral x to e dx, e to the x negative 1 over e plus 1 times x to e plus 1 positive a constant. Here is that integral. Thank you.